Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hi, Emily. How are you today?
I'm great, Paul. So happy to be here. And you?
I'm very happy too. It's a beautiful day. I am ready to talk.
Yes, me too. We have a very interesting topic today. A big word. Procrastination.
Wow, that is a big word. What is procrastination, Emily?
It is a big word. Procrastination is when you have something to do, but you do it later.
Ah, I know this. For example, I need to clean my room, but I watch TV first.
Yes, exactly. That is procrastination. You do something else, not the important thing.
I think many people do this. I do this sometimes.
Oh, me too. All the time. And today we will talk about why. Why do we procrastinate and how it connects to learning English?
That's a great topic. Learning English is so important, but sometimes it is hard to start.
It is. So before we start our big topic, we have a small request for you all.
Yes, please subscribe to our channel, Mr. English Channel, and give this video a like, a thumbs up.
And share it with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
Yes, it really does. So, Emily, procrastination. Why do our brains love it?
It's a good question. Our brain likes easy things, fun things.
Yes. Like watching a movie or playing a game?
Exactly. Those things are fun. They make us feel happy now.
Ah, so our brain wants to be happy now, not later.
Yes, that's a big part of it. Think about studying English. Is it always fun?
No, sometimes it is difficult. I need to learn new words. I need to understand grammar.
Right. It's work. Your brain sees the work and thinks, oh no, this is hard. Let's do something easy.
So my brain says, Paul, let's watch a funny cat video on the internet.
Yes, a cat video is easy and fun. Your brain gets a little bit of happiness right away.
That makes sense. So my brain is a little lazy.
Not lazy, just smart in a different way. It wants to protect you from things that are hard or maybe boring.
Boring. Is learning English boring?
Sometimes, maybe. If you only read a grammar book for 2 hours, it can feel a little boring.
I agree. So my brain says, let's find something not boring.
Yes. Another thing is feeling scared or worried.
Scared? Scared of what?
Well, when you learn English, you make mistakes, right?
Oh, yes, many mistakes. I say words wrong. I forget words.
And how does that feel?
It feels a little bad. Not super bad, but I feel silly sometimes.
Exactly. That feeling. Our brain doesn't like that feeling. So to avoid feeling silly, we just don't study.
Wow. So my brain tries to protect me from feeling bad.
Yes, it's trying to help. It says, hey, if you don't try, you can't make a mistake.
But if I don't try, I can't learn English.
That's the problem. Procrastination feels good for a minute, but it stops us from our big goals, like speaking English.
So, what can we do? How can we tell our brains, hey, it's okay. We need to learn.
That is the big question. And we have some easy tips. Very easy.
Oh, good. I like easy tips.
Me too. Tip number 1 is make it small.
Make it small? Like a small coffee?
Yes, like a small coffee. Don't say, I will study English for 3 hours. That sounds big and scary.
Oh, yes. 3 hours is a long time. My brain says, no thank you.
Exactly. Instead, say, I will study English for 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Only 5 minutes?
Yes, just 5 minutes. Anyone has 5 minutes. It's so small, your brain can't say no.
That's true. 5 minutes is easy. I can do that. I can learn one new word in 5 minutes.
Yes, and what happens after 5 minutes?
Maybe. I feel good. And I think, okay, maybe 5 more minutes.
Yes, exactly. Starting is the hardest part. Once you start, it's easier to continue. So just start with 5 minutes.
That is a fantastic tip. Make it small. I will remember that. What is tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is make it fun.
Ah, I like this one. Learning English can be fun?
Of course, you don't need to only read a grammar book. You can watch a movie in English.
With subtitles?
Yes, with English subtitles. Or you can listen to music in English.
I love music. I can listen to a song and read the words, the lyrics.
Good job, yes, the lyrics. And you learn new words and new sounds. It doesn't feel like studying, it feels like fun.
This is great. My brain will think, oh, music. I love music. It will be happy to learn.
Exactly. Or play a game. Many games on your phone are in English. You can change the language to English.
Oh, that's a very smart idea. I play games on my phone every day.
See, you can learn and have fun at the same time. Find what you like to do and do it in English.
So, make it small and make it fun. What is tip number 3?
Tip number 3 is have a plan.
A plan? Like a map?
Yes, like a map for your English journey. Decide when you will study. For example, every day after breakfast, I will study for 10 minutes.
Ah, so it becomes a routine, like brushing my teeth.
Yes, exactly. It becomes a habit. After a few weeks, you don't think about it. You just do it.
I like that. So, I don't need to decide every day, when will I study? The plan decides for me.
That's right. It makes it easier. You can also plan what you will study. On Monday, I learn 5 new words. On Tuesday, I listen to a song.
So, my brain knows what is coming. It's not a big surprise.
No surprise. Your brain likes to know the plan. It feels safe and comfortable.
These tips are so good, Emily. Small steps, fun activities, and a clear plan.
They are simple, but they really work. Another small tip is to have a special place to study.
A special place? Like a favorite chair?
Yes, a quiet corner in your house. When you sit there, your brain knows, okay, it's English time.
That's so cool. The chair helps me to focus.
It does. And put your phone away, far away.
Oh, yes. The phone is a big procrastination tool. So many cat videos.
I know. So, a special place, no phone, it helps you to stay with your plan.
I feel better now. I understand why I procrastinate. It's just my brain trying to be my friend.
Yes, it is. But you are the boss. You can say, thank you, brain. I know this is a little hard, but we can do it. Just for 5 minutes.
And it will be fun. We will listen to music.
Yes, perfect. You're talking to your brain.
And what about when I feel tired? Sometimes I am very tired after work. I don't want to study.
That's a very important point. It's okay to be tired, and it's okay to rest.
Oh, good.
But remember tip number 1. Make it small. Maybe on a tired day, you don't study for 15 minutes. Maybe you only study for 5 minutes.
5 minutes? What can I do in 5 minutes?
You can open your vocabulary app and look at one word. Just one.
1 word? That's all?
That's all. The important thing is to do something. You keep the habit alive. You show your brain that English is still important, even when you are tired.
Wow, I never thought about that. Doing something very, very small is better than doing nothing.
Yes, exactly. It's a small win, and small wins make you feel good. They give you motivation for the next day.
This is so helpful. I think our listeners can really use these tips for their English studies.
I hope so. Procrastination is normal. Everyone does it. Don't feel bad about it.
Yes, that's important. Don't be angry with yourself. Just say, okay, today I procrastinated. Tomorrow is a new day. I will start with 5 minutes.
What a great attitude, Paul. That's the perfect way to think. Be kind to yourself. Learning a language is a long journey.
It is. There are good days and bad days.
For sure. On good days, maybe you study for 20 minutes. On bad days, maybe 5 minutes. And that is perfectly okay.
It's about being consistent, doing a little bit every day.
Yes, consistent is a good word. It means you keep going. You don't stop.
So, to review our tips, 1. Make it small. 5 minutes is a great start.
2. Make it fun. Listen to music, watch movies, play games in English.
3. Make a plan, a routine. Decide when and what you will study.
And a bonus tip, be kind to yourself. It's okay to have a difficult day.
This is a great conversation, Emily. I feel very motivated to study English now. No more cat videos for me.
And, well, maybe just one cat video after you study for 5 minutes.
Okay, deal. A reward.
A reward is a great idea, actually. That's another good tip. After you study, you can do something you like.
Like have a cup of tea or watch one funny video.
Yes, it teaches your brain that something good happens after you study English.
So my brain starts to think, oh, English is not so bad. After English, I get tea.
That's the idea. You are training your brain to enjoy the process.
I love it. This is not just about English. These tips are good for everything, for cleaning my room too.
Yes, you can use them for everything. Start with cleaning for 5 minutes.
I will. But first, I will study English.
That's great to hear, Paul. And we hope our listeners feel the same way.
Yes, we do. Learning English is a wonderful thing. It opens up the world.
It really does. You can talk to new people, watch movies without subtitles, understand your favorite songs.
It's worth the effort, even when our brains want to procrastinate.
For sure. So we hope our conversation today was helpful for all of you listening.
We had a lot of fun talking about it.
We did. And we have a small request before we go.
Yes, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our channel, Mr. English Channel.
And give us a like. It really helps more people find our podcast. And please share it with a friend who is also learning English.
And we have a question for you. In the comments below, tell us, what is your favorite way to make learning English fun?
Ooh, that's a great question. Do you like music, movies, games? Let us know. We love reading your comments.
Yes, we do. It's great to hear from you. Thank you all for listening today.
Thank you so much. Keep practicing, be patient, and have fun. We will see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.